All right, guys, let's move a Master Spa hot tub. Now, some days I move a hot tub by myself, but some days you got to bring in the team. And in Nashville, my team is Bubble Factory. These guys get it done, man. That's what they do. They move hot tubs, and they come in and they make it look so easy. And I don't have to do anything but really watch. Now, it's hot enough that I'm working up a pretty good sweat just because of the Nashville heat and humidity, but these guys take care of business. They get in and they get out. This day, we pick up a tub at one house and we deliver it to another house. Brand new owner. And so I'm not going to say much. I'll just let you watch. Oh, and yeah, there's going to be some drone footage, so check it out.
Oh my gosh. When it dropped, I was like, oh.
Well, there you go. Another successful move. Jeremy and his team at Bubble Factory do a great job. If you're in the Middle Tennessee area, definitely give them a call if you need a hot tub moved. I use them all the time. They have always done a great job. They're very affordable, and they just know what they're doing. You can see that. So check them out. And also check out this cool view of the tub in its new location and a beautiful surrounding area. Middle Tennessee is a wonderful, wonderful place. I enjoy it. And I hope you enjoyed the hot tub move. All I can say is that is some good stuff.